everyone, and welcome to the adventures of the Tiny Witches. Imagined, written, and illustrated by Shannon Esther, the Shining Star. I am Auntie Agatha. Today's story is Essel Makes Animal Sounds. Essel makes animal sounds. Sheep say bah. A leopard purrs after a lunch. Pigs say unk as they grunt. Birds chirp or squawk, or some birds can even talk. Wolves howl and sing, ah 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 woo. Alligators click and hiss, grumbling in the slough. Dolphins squeal and tick. Snakes hiss and spit till we get it. A donkey goes hee-haw, hee-haw, with a long whine. A cow says moo as it dines. The cat says meow as the dog says woof. We all have different sounds, no matter if we have wings, fins, hands, or hooves. What animal sounds can you make? Till next time, my friends, slán till then.